Oil continues to extend its rally and keeps trying to break above the current highs. Crude prices have shown impressive growth recently. The reason for this is the results of the meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee. The U.S. regulator made it clear that it is not going to change the interest rate until the end of this year. Market participants perceive this as an indication that nothing is threatening the global economic recovery. As a result, fuel demand will continue to rise, thus pushing crude prices higher. This in turn supports the Russian ruble. Let's find out more details. Rising oil futures are beneficial for speculators who earn on the current uptrend. Brent crude has recently tested a new local high of $75 per barrel. However, the price retreated from this level under the bearish pressure. Still, analysts are sure that the upward movement will remain. It is also possible that by the end of the week, Brent will break above $75 a barrel. WTI is following a similar upward cycle. The resistance level for WTI is a bit lower than for Brent and is found at $73 per barrel. However, this area has already been challenged by the market. This opens the way to further highs in the range between $75.30 and $76.50 a barrel. Meanwhile, the situation around the ruble is no less interesting. Yesterday, the dollar-ruble pair stayed within the existing correction, so the quote settled above the level of 73.35. From the technical point of view, the price has already approached the first resistance level, located between 73.35 and 73.50. This may cause a reduction in the number of long positions. Will the theory of golden ratio apply to the dollar-ruble pair? Let's see how the market will behave. As for the euro, it advanced by 0.9% against the ruble yesterday. According to analysts, this was a rather considerable change. Besides, this may serve as a sign of overbought conditions on the euro. Therefore, the euro versus the ruble pair may reverse its current trend. As expected, the ruble's decline yesterday was less than that of other currencies. This was due to the decision of the U.S. Federal Reserve regarding the rate hike. After the Fed's announcement, the Russian ruble eased, but not to such an extent as other major currencies. At the moment, the ruble is hesitating to move further and trying to find the direction. The decision of the Federal State Statistics Service of Russia to postpone the release of the retail sales report by more than a week added to the uncertainty for the ruble. Only some political news may change the situation. However, nothing new is expected on this front, as currently no escalation of geopolitical tensions is observed. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.